it has stalwarts in it, some really amazing actors, and it's such a privilege being a part of this story. I don't know what you were all doing. Maybe many of you weren't even born. Some of you were probably very young, but it's a part of our history which needed to be shared and told. And I remember in the year that the Kandahar hijack happened, I was participating in the Miss India contest, and I remember all of us being glued to television. Of course, TV and news was very different then. You didn't get the kind of access to information that you do today. But being so relieved at the end of that ordeal, it was terrifying what was happening. And I think Anubhav has done an amazing job with trying to ensure that the most humane aspect of that story comes through. Contagious Creation is saying, I am a new mom coping with new life, looking like a wreck, opened IG, and what a pretty calm face to look at. Thank you. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. There isn't any greater joy than becoming a mother, and I'm so happy for you. I wish you all the love and your little baby, all my love and blessings and prayers for your baby's health and happiness. Hi Shruti, thank you for joining. Everyone, my manager Shruti just got married, so please congratulate her and tell her to please come back to work soon. I really miss her. Hi Nitin. Happy Friendship's Day. Yes, my God, what would we do without our friends? I think I just feel so blessed and so fortunate to have some of the most amazing people in the world that I can call my friends. They ground me, they center me, they tell me the truth like nobody else can, and I'm just so happy to have the friends that I do in my life. Hi Nazia, thank you. I know, I'm amazed at how many people love Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein as much as they do, and I'm always ever grateful for the love that film gets. Somebody says कि वो क्लास 9 में थी जब उनको मुझसे प्यार हुआ था. This painting behind me is Hussain. It's a self-portrait of Hussain, M.F. Hussain. Hi Nargis from Afghanistan. I love you too. Hi Sankar from Assam. Sending you lots of love. I hope you're well. It's been a very tough time for people in Assam with the deluge and the flooding, which is annual, but it's amazing to see the incredible stories of people who've been rescuing and supporting wildlife rescues and helping with amazing humanitarian work. आप सबको असम में मेरा बहुत सारा प्यार. ठाकुर कह रहे हैं मेरा नाम बोल दो प्लीज़ एक बार. बोल दिया. Abhiman ji, love from Karnataka. Lots of love to you too. Hassan, lots of love right back to you. Anyway, I thought I'd just pop in. Hi Soph. Happy Friendship's Day, baby. I hope you had a wonderful Sunday. Hi Alna from Bangladesh. Hi Suj, happy birthday. Everybody wish Sujata a very happy birthday. She's a force of a woman and I really admire her. Hi Sarat, lots of love right back to you and everyone in Nepal. Hi Safari 1369, all my love to my friends in Iran. I hope you're all safe, I hope you're well, I hope you're happy. Oh my, love to all of you in Arunachal Pradesh. I know solar power 1111. The rains in Pune have been very heavy. I hope you're safe and you're dry and you're okay. Lots of people are requesting to join this live. Maybe I should accept one person. Let's see. Oh! A request that's accepted. I don't know if he's...
Hi.
Hi! How are you? I hope you're studying and I hope you're at uni. Or are you blooming in some part of the world again?
No. I'm in.
Aman Sharma is a friend of mine. You know, when I first met Aman, he was all of 9. Maybe even.
Yeah. I think
And now
seen me grown up.
he's a big boy now and he's studying environment in university. I'm so proud of all the wonderful things he's doing with his life.
Thank you.
If you are a regular on my page, I'm sure you've seen him. He pops up every now and then. Do you have anything to say to everyone on this Sunday evening? Where are you? What are you doing?
I'm in New York. Yeah, I'm not in college right now. I have summer vacations. I'm actually interning in New York. In climate, of course.
And when are you completing your education and coming back to us?
One more year left. So then I'll come back and both of us will work on raising the birds together, huh?
Yes.
I have to show you the honor. Even in New York, I've been birding, and each time I see a new bird, I'm like, oh my god, Ria would love this. Ria would love that. Abhiyan would love this. We saw 3,000 skimmers nesting the other day. And Ria, in New York, in the US, the regulations are so strong. They've blocked off the entire beach to let these birds nest and fence the entire area. And you have skimmers, oyster catchers, terns nesting, and it is beautiful.
Amazing!
Where are you right now?
I am at home. I just got back from a live concert of Mansa Jimmy.
Oh, lovely.
She really made my Sunday. It's something that never when I started doing regularly, I kind of look for musical evenings by performing artists who I admire and love. And every few weeks we just go away in Bombay, somewhere to the studio and watch it. It's just so uplifting. Music is so uplifting. The times that we are in, things are just so good. It's so nice to be able to be like grounded by the music and of course your spirits are always there. We had a great evening. I thought it was such a long time.
Lovely. Sounds good.
You have a good summer holiday
You
and
too.
lots of love.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Pia. Bye.
Okay, I'll accept one more person before I go away. And I've accepted an advocate who I've never interacted with before. This should be interesting. Somebody's asking me what my favorite is. Hi!
Hello. good, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. What were you expecting when you asked me to add you on this line?
Nothing really, sir. But actually, I am following you. Are you coming to Delhi for an event on
Yes.
environment? So I am also coming there. So I thought
One. Are you coming? Are you coming for?
I'll be
Are you
I'll
coming
be
for the
there. I'll
youth
be
sabha
there.
on the 12th?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be there.
Amazing. Amazing. I
I'll
read
be
that you're an
there, and
advocate.
I'll be really glad to.
So will I. Well, we met already, but
So
we'll
much.
meet again.
Sure. We'll meet definitely. Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
Bye. Bye.
बाय बाय। किसने कहा पंजाब से जुगराज जी का कोई कमेंट आया है जो मैंने पढ़ा नहीं, कह रहे हैं but I'm reading all your comments. Thank you so much and thank you for joining me whenever you
Thank
feel
you,
like
ma'am.
you can
Thank
drop
you
off so
so
I can
much.
add
Thank
other
you.
stuff.
Sure. Thank you.
Oh, I have a hi Aniket, how are you? Okay, this is my last 2 minutes. The last person I'm going to accept to join. Uh, Somebody's asked what my favorite food is. It's ghar ka khana. Simple dal chawal. Hello. I can see your fan.
Hi!
Hi. I was like,
Unbelievable. It is just 2% battery and then you accepted. You have no idea. I'm like, I must be your biggest fan. It's 2% battery and trust me. I mean, I can't tell you because we are like online, but I've been messaging Shruti so many times. I'm like, an artist who has been dying to work with you. Who's been dying to work with you?
hi. I'll get Shruti who's watching this live to accept your request.
She promised me. She promised me, but then I know. I mean, but trust me, Diya. I mean, not only me. Like so many people like me. They are just your fan, and the warmth you share. Like other day, I was just passing to a salon, and then I saw you. You were walking with your daughter, and I messaged Shruti. I mean, how graceful she looks, and I love your acting also. Like I feel that in every web series or in any movie, like you know the kind of character you play, it doesn't feel like we are watching you as a character. It feels like you know you have put so much of warmth, effort, and it looks so real.
Thank you. Thank you. That's the best compliment. Thank you so much. I hope to work with you soon. Lots of love.
But thank you so much. It was like it just got manifested, maybe you know.
Yeah.
Got manifested. Thank you so
I
much
hope
for
you
giving
can
us. Thank you so much for giving us so much. Like as an audience, as an individual, I love your performance. I love you as an individual. Everybody talks so high about you. Everybody.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you
I
so
will hope to
much.
work with you soon. Lots of love.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I'm going to go now, guys. It's been so nice connecting with all of you. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबके साथ बात करके आज. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. Addo, so nice to see you here. My classmate from school is here, Aditi Bhupal.
Oh,
Yeah, I just hope you all have a wonderful week ahead. I just wanted to pop in and say hello and sending you all my love. And yeah, stay warm, stay positive, stay kind.